The quick disconnect adapters for the vacuum hose are meant to put on and take off at will, or put on and leave on permanently. The one I'm installing here is meant for my table saw, which is a 4-inch straight pipe. Once it's screwed on tight enough that it starts to compress the hose, it'll barely ever come off. You saw how easy it come off. Now I'm putting on another one that allows me to connect to a vacuum, a shop vac. This one here is a connector that it itself can come apart in the middle. The ring in the middle does disassemble, but it's designed that each side turns freely around the hose. Here I'm tightening on the first half, and I've over tightened it so the other side can't get in. And I've backed it off a bit too far, as you'll see in a second. And then I will attach the second side with the collet on the first one. If this was a solid unit, this would be a real pain. You'd be twisting 10, maybe 20 feet of 4-inch hose if you have long runs, like I do in my CNC machine. So this one here will tighten on the first side and on the second side, and you'll see I'll start to pull it. I got to pull it pretty hard to get it apart, but it comes apart, and it's because I didn't push it all the way in there, nice and tight. So I'll do it again, and this time I'll give it a few extra turns so that the two hoses are actually compressing and causing the grooves to compress a little bit. And once that's done, I mean, you can pull that thing as hard as you want, and it's not coming apart. When you take it apart, you have two choices: disassemble it like in reverse of how I put it together, or the center ring, which I don't show in this demo, literally comes apart, and each half is a unit on the hoses itself, and you can put it back together. It's not designed to be used that way. It's more designed to be used the way that I'm demonstrating here. This is just 3 examples of quick connectors that can be done. I can make custom vacuum heads for it, and so on and so forth. But the idea is no clamps, easy to install, and quick.